Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's Saturday and I'm back with an investment pick. This time it's in pharma company Orbindo Pharma and the price of the company 944. EPS 91 rupees. Price to EPS 11 times. Industry P 31 times. Potential to go 2700 levels in the long run. Book value 374. Price to book 2.66 times. Promoter holding 52%. Debt to equity 0.24%. Face value 1. Dividend yield 0.40%. ROC 5 years 20%. ROC previous year 18.7%. Fundamental is good. When we compare with other companies in same sector, it is trading very low as per PE. Sun Pharma trading 56 times, Dr. Reddy trading 47 times, Cipla trading 33 times, Cadila trading 29 times. Even if we take 20 times for Aurobindo Pharma, the target comes to 1800 levels. So fundamental is very good for investment. Now let's have a look on the technical reading. On the daily chart, the stock gave a rise from 800 levels to 1060 levels. Then price were trading in a downward sloping channel. It has given breakout on Friday. As per the breakout, it is headed to 1060 levels. And as per the weekly chart, price is trading in a channel and the size of the channel is 220 points. Breakout will be by weekly closing above 1040 levels. The target after breakout will be 1260 levels. Now let's study the monthly chart. All time monthly chart, price were consolidating in a rectangle box of 500 points for the past 5 years. Breakout point was monthly closing above 900 levels, which has happened in April 2021. The target as per the breakout comes to 1400 levels. Disclaimer: I have shared my study. Kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any trade on my study. Now I will show you technical chart one by one. This is the daily chart. As I told you, after rise, the price are trading in a downward sloping channel. It has given breakout on Friday. This is the weekly chart. After the rise, the price are trading in a channel. The breakout point is 1040 levels. Once the stock gives a weekly closing above 1040 levels, it will be a breakout and the target can be 1260. This is the monthly chart. As you can see, from 2015 to 2021, the price are trading in a box of 900 on the upper side and 400 on the lower side. Breakout has happened in the month of April and target comes 1400 levels as per the breakout. So as we have seen, fundamental and technical both are supportive for Aurobindo Pharma to be considered as investment. But kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Happy investing.